Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. So far it's all going according to plan. In my last video I showed you this target area here. We've reached it today, which is also why I want to do another update video here after we bounced off this target area, which I had originally a little bit higher. But yeah, that's moved down further, and then the alternative came into play. We then found support here and made a beautiful reversal pattern, a W with a higher low. So basically we have a 1-2 here in green, yeah, 1-2, but then you have another 1-2 of a smaller degree. Yeah, so after that green 1-2, you start a green wave 3, but within that wave 3, again, you have 5 waves. So you see these here, 1, 2, 3, and we are now in this blue wave 3. We have come exactly, perfectly to the target area here. The question is now, does the price move up further or not? There is now still a little bit more upside potential, but it's fairly limited. It could go all the way up to 4,686 in my view. Now, if this is, we should see some resistance here at some point now. Yeah, we should see some resistance at some point, and it is likely we could actually see that resistance now, or yeah, move a little bit higher, maybe here to the 50-day moving average, before we then, however, would move into a wave 4. So expect a bit of a retracement. That should be less of a retracement than we saw here from that wave 1 to that wave 2. So ideally what you expect for a wave 4 retracement or wave 3 retracement, we take the fibs here from, and that depends on, you know, is the wave 3 complete or not. If the wave 3 moves higher, I also have to extend the fibs and the next target area will then shift. But at the moment, I would see the target area. Let's assume the correction would start now. Then I would expect the target area here in the region between 4,480 and 4,533. That's between the 0.214 fib level and the 0.382. That's an ideal target level for a wave 4. But again, if the wave 3 now moves higher, as you can see, if I move then the Fibonacci's higher as well, that target area will have to shift. So again, it has done the minimum it needs to do for a wave 3, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, and it can move all the way up to the 200% ideally. You know, the 1.618 is typically an at least target, so it can move higher, but we've seen here an initial reaction to the target area, to that fib level, and it could be that we are now very soon starting that correction, especially as on the 1 hour chart you are moving here into the overbought range. You're already quite far in the overbought, and from here we could then move all the way down in a wave 4 before we see here that blue wave 5. Yeah, and to calculate that is now a little bit too early, but that would be a green wave 3, after which you would see a green wave 4, a green wave 5. That would then complete here this higher level degree, wave 5 as well, after which you would then probably see quite a bit of a correction. Yeah, so let's just assume we could then be potentially somewhere around $5,000. From there you could expect a 20% move down, and that could then take us, yeah, quite a bit down actually. That would be quite a bit of a move down actually, yeah. So that is when we can expect some more sell-offs. And if we just, some people might be here from the crypto space, from my crypto channel. To be honest, I think this could be when the Bitcoin final sell-off that I expect takes place at this wave 5. Don't know when it will happen, not too far off, because we've done here now this wave 3, this wave 4, then you get a wave 5. Then you have the green wave 3 completed. Then you need to do a green wave 3, a green wave 4, a green wave 5, and then you can expect that sell-off that could take the crypto market down as well, and that could be the final Bitcoin sell-off. Now, when is that? That could happen throughout February or in March. You know, as I said, also for the crypto market on my crypto channel, originally I do expect the final Bitcoin sell-off in Q1. Of course, there's never a guarantee that's going to happen, but at some point you're going to see here a larger correction. That's not a massive crash. Yeah, that will be around, as you can see, typically a 20% correction for the crypto market possible, because this would complete this much higher level wave 3, after which you then see this wave 4, and that's typically like a 20% retracement you can expect from there. Yeah, that would be quite a bit actually. That would bring the market down quite a bit, but after that wave 4, you will see another wave 5. So we are still in an uptrend. Yeah, there's no reason to panic. But when of this degree, the wave 5 will be finished, and that could be next year. then you can expect quite a bit of a, yeah, you could call it a crash. That will be a crash, but we are still quite far away from that. On this channel, I'll definitely keep you updated. So hopefully you like the update about this S&P 500 update. Let's see if that is actually going to play out like indicated here on the chart. It will be very interesting. And I'll keep you updated. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.